Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to be working with some tissue paper, just bath tissue or any tissue paper that does not have really deep grooves or patterns in it. I used the what you call it, the paper napkins that you purchase in the square or whatever packs that you put at your dinner table. That's what I use for this one, but I'm going to try the toilet paper because I saw this video, so this is not my original idea. I just wanted to try it out so that you guys can see. I'm going to also be using this Christmas embossing folder so that we can take a look. I also will be using a brayer. I may use some glue, I'm not sure yet, and I have this pad here, multicolor pad, if for want of a better word, and that's what I'm going to be using. So hi to all of my subscribers, those of you who just recently subscribed. I do appreciate your support. Thank you so much, and I look forward to continuing to do videos. So what I will do first is I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to tear by 2 sheets. That's what I'm thinking. Tear by 2 sheets. It might end up tearing apart, I'm not sure, but maybe I'll just get this, kind of do it like this. Now this one, as you notice, has a design on it, but it's not like very deep or pronounced pattern. It's very light. So that's what I'm referring to when I mention something that does not have a whole bunch of really pronounced imprints on it. Okay, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to do 2 more, and that would be it. Now just make sure you have your spritz available so that we can get this going. So let's go ahead and get started. I do want, this would be the side with, so the design is going to come out on the top side, which is where I want it. So let's start off with the first 2 here. Now I kind of like the more of this side of the, because I like the floral side. And I am going to spritz now. You would also need something. Could be a sponge applicator or something like that. Let me just drag this down just a smidge more, because maybe that might be better. Because the last time I tried doing it, it got messed up. So I want to be very careful. Okay, so I'm using this sponge applicator so that I can get the, this to get into the grooves. And if there's any way that you need to maybe just add a little extra water, then please do so that everywhere you have everything resting nicely and inside. Now I am using the embossing folder. So if you're using your embossing machine, just be mindful you might need an additional piece of paper towel, because once you run it through the embossing machine, it's very possible that it's going to spew out water. Okay, so I'm going to do this first and see how much. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to have to spritz this one because the water is not sufficient. It's not going to come all the way through. So I'm going to continue like this until I am done, and then I will be back. Okay, so I'm back and I ran it through the Cuttlebug, and as you can see, it has that very distinctive pattern here. Now you can use like a spatula, or something to get this off. Now again, this has to dry, so just make sure that once you do it, it is all dried up. You can use a drying tool or what have you, and then you can choose to use your brayer, color it as you want. So this is what I did with my brayer. I used the pink part of it to you know, apply the pink section on here. I used the green for the bottom, and I just decorated it with some I forgot what they call it, embellishments. Yes, you know, just for present, just to show, you know. So once you have that, then, you know, whatever you want to do, then it can sit in the center of your card like this, or you can move it to the side. You know, it just depends on what sort of effect you want. And of course, if you want the size of your actual card, which mine is 5.5 by 4.25, then of course you make that size to suit. So it's entirely up to you what you want to do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I shall see you guys next week, and happy holidays if I do not see you next week. Bye.